Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? Change your thoughts and you change your world. Why, the students, today's our topic is cell organelles and other two important organelles which we are discussing today. First of all, mitochondria and plastids. The objectives of today's lesson is to understand what is mitochondria and what are plastids. Mitochondria, what is mitochondria, its structure and function. What are plastids, how they work, types of plastid and their structure and function. What is mitochondria? Students, mitochondria are double membrane bounded structure found in eukaryotes. These are sites of aerobic respiration and are major energy production center, so that's why they are called powerhouse of the cell. Structure of mitochondria. These are small rod-shaped organelles bounded by two membranes, inner membrane and outer membrane. As you have seen in your picture, outer membrane is smooth and encloses the contents of mitochondria. Inner membrane is folded in the form of shells like inward projections called cristae. Inner cavity is filled with matrix which contains many enzymes. Mitochondria have their own DNA which are responsible for many enzymatic action. In diagram, you can see the outer membrane which is smooth, but the inner membrane has many folds. The folds are called cristae and the liquid form that is present in the cristae is called matrix. In matrix, there are many organelles like ribosomes, like DNA and many enzymes. The functions of mitochondria: synthesize energy-rich compound ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate, which are the high phosphate bonds to store energy. Energy is stored in the form of ATP. ATP molecules provide energy for the vital activities of living cell. Mitochondria has its own DNA which is responsible for many enzymatic actions. ATP molecules diffuse throughout the cell from mitochondria. Whenever energy is needed for cellular activity, the ATP molecules are broken down. Students, the mitochondria are also the sites of aerobic respiration, and you know that as a result of aerobic respiration, a lots of amount of energy is produced which is used by cell in different activities. Another important organelles which are found only in plants and green algae, the plastids. Plastid is a membrane-bound organelle found in the cells of plants and algae. Plastids are the site of manufacture and storage of important chemical compounds used by the cells of autotrophic eukaryotes. Types of plastids. There are three types of plastids present in plant cells: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast found in green parts of the plant. Chromoplast found in the colored part of the plants like petals of the flower. And leucoplast, these are colorless pigment found in parts where food is stored, and these are also present in roots and stored food. First of all, chloroplast. Chloroplast is an important pigment found only in algal and plant cells. Is a cell organelle that produces energy through photosynthesis. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll, the molecule that captures light energy and this gives many plants and alga a green color. Means chloroplast contain chlorophyll, which gives green color to the plants. Structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts, like mitochondria, are oval shaped and have two membranes, an outer membrane which forms the external surface of the chloroplast and an inner membrane that lies just beneath. Chloroplasts have many small disc-shaped sacs called thylakoids. The stalk of thylakoids is called granum. Grana float in the inner fluid chloroplast called stroma. Chloroplasts have many small disc-shaped sacs called thylakoids within their stroma. The stack of thylakoid is called granum, and grana float in the inner fluid called stroma. This is a structure of chloroplast in which the outer membrane is a smooth membrane. Just beneath the outer membrane is an inner membrane which have thylakoids. Thylakoids are present in the form of stack called granum, and these granum float in the stroma. This stroma is an aqueous liquid. The second type of plastids are chromoplasts. Chromoplasts are plastids that produce and store pigments. They are responsible for different colors found in leaves, fruits, flowers, and vegetables. For example, red color in carrots, yellow color in mango, and red color also in tomato. And these are used, their function is to give colors to these parts and thus help in pollination and dispersal of fruits. The third type of plastids are leucoplasts. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids that store foods. They are found in storage organs such as fruits, tubers, and seeds. Examples: potato tubers and maize grains, etc.